guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add and remove background from your videos in CapCut PC. Now this only works for like people only if you only use the normal cutout, but if you have access to the customized cutout, that's even better, but you do need Pro for that. So go to cutout and simply just select auto cutout to remove the background. You can also add in some strokes for your videos as well if you'd like to, like some outlines like this. Again, if you have customized, this is good if you want to just remove like background from certain objects. You also have chroma key. This works mostly for green screen, but you can also select colors that are not green screen, but it is a little bit harder. I do recommend either green or blue screen. Here you can adjust the strength of the actual like background, and you can even feather the edge, but you'll need CapCut Pro for that, and you can also clean it up here. And that is it. That is a way to remove background. To add a background, just place it in the second track and add in a different background, or you can use canvas. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!